a beginning, a struggle, and a victory. The only way to handle life's challenges is to face them head-on with perseverance, determination, and a positive attitude. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Delhi Public School, Bhilai, we offer you all our greetings on the occasion of the 41st Foundation Day of our school. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the most awaited event of the year, our school's Foundation Day. Today is a day of celebration, a day to feel proud of our achievements, showcase our talents, and reflect on the incredible journey we've had throughout the year. It's a day to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our students, teachers, and all staff members. Delhi Public School came into existence in 1985 and since then has moved from strength to strength and has today become an educational hub at the national level. We at DPS Bhilai believe in imparting that education to our children, which gives them wings to fly, yet keeps their feet firmly grounded to reality. Our children have won laurels in academics, co-curricular activities, and sports, and they have always tried to keep the flag of their alma mater flying high. Rabindranath Tagore's philosophy centers on achieving harmony with nature, promoting peace, and fostering a deep appreciation of the natural world. This revolt song is a powerful call for universal peace, unity, and spiritual awakening. Its lyrics weave beautiful narrative of harmony and togetherness, inviting us to look within ourselves and recognize the formless beauty of the divine. As we celebrate another year of growth, learning, and achievements, our talented dancers have already set the tone for an evening filled with joy, reflection, and celebration. A special mention to Drishti S. Anil of Class 9A, who helped out with this graceful choreography. Tagore's songs have a way of touching our hearts and souls, and Dhwanin Alvam, Again Sumadur, is no exception. We would like to express our deepest gratitude to Sri Daulal Kothari, the founder and guiding force behind Ravindra Sudha Bhilai, for its outstanding work in translating Ravindra Sangeet into Hindi. These are not only translations but transpirations of realization promoting the legacy of Rabindranath Tagore. As the poet expresses a deep desire for all obstacles in the mind to vanish, paving the way for perpetual righteous actions. Let's also reflect on the values that our school stands for, that are compassion, inclusivity, and commitment to excellence. Let's remember the values of unity, peace, and harmony that the song and our theme, Vasundhara, our treasure trove, represents. Just like the earth, our school is a treasure trove of knowledge, creativity, and talent. May the rhythm and the movements inspire us to appreciate the treasure trove that our planet is and to strive for a more harmonious and peaceful world. Brightness and prosperity are the symbols of light. It is a positive force that removes darkness. This is a symbolic moment that signifies the dispelling of obscurity, igniting wisdom and enlightenment. दीपक की लौ में बसी है उजियारे की बात, अंधियारे में चमके जैसे आशा की सौगात. Salutation to the light of the lamp, which brings auspiciousness, health, and prosperity, which destroys enviable feelings. The light of the lamp is one of the most universal of symbols signifying the spiritual and the divine. It also symbolizes blessings in every form. As we have gathered for this special occasion, we call upon the divine presence to fill this place. May our hearts be open, may our minds be clear as we invoke the light and banish all fear. An invocation song sets the tone for any ceremony or gathering, creating a sacred and reverent atmosphere. To make this evening a blessed one and to give an auspicious start to the program, may I request our chief guest, honorable guests, Principal Sir, Vice Principals, Headmistresses and Headmaster to please proceed for the lamp lighting ceremony. Trainee in Technical Wing on 1st October 1989 at Rourkela Steel Plant. After completing his Bachelor of Science degree in Chemical Engineering from Regional Engineering College, Rourkela in 1988, Mr. Mohapatra started his career in SAIL as a management trainee in Technical Wing from the air separation plant of Rourkela Steel Plant. He served in different units of RSP in various capacities for nearly 34 years. He rose to the position of GM Utilities and GM Services on 30th June 2017 and 31st May 2019 respectively. Thereafter, he was appointed as Head of Material Management Department on 29 October 2020, exercising the powers of ED Materials Management in RSP. Mr. Chittaranjan Mohapatra was promoted and posted as ED Projects, Bokaro Steel Plant on 15 June 2022 and worked tirelessly in commissioning various projects in BSL. Later, he also handled the additional post of ED Materials Management on 1st January 2024. He finally became ED Works on 15 November 2024. During his tenure as ED Works, BSL achieved many feats and scaled new heights with reference to production and profitability. He continued to head the plant as Head of Works Division before taking up his new assignment as Director in charge of Bhilai Steel Plant. Mr. Mohapatra has over 3 decades of experience in various aspects of plant operations. He was also on the board of directors of Bokaro Bar Supply Company Limited. We welcome you, sir.
To enjoy nature's beauty, to see the smile that has begun in nature's eyes. This evening, we request you to pause, to reflect, and to enjoy the beauteous bounty of Vasundhara, a treasure trove. May I request Soju Sanin sir for his magnificent visual display, which reminds us all where we have come from and where we will go and what we need to do to preserve this magnificent Mother Earth. Sir, please.
पृथ्वी का पुत्र हूं। अथर्ववेद का यह वचन धरती के प्रति आदर और मनुष्य का पृथ्वी के साथ गहरे संबंध को दर्शाता है। यह अमृत वचन धरती के प्रति मनुष्य के स्वाभाविक कर्तव्य की याद दिलाता है, मनुष्य को प्रकृति की रक्षा के लिए जगाता है, कर्तव्य पथ की ओर आगे बढ़ाता है। वसुंधरा की रक्षा मनुष्य का प्रथम कर्तव्य है। मानो यह वाक्य कहता है, उत्तिष्ठत जागृत प्राप्य वरान्नि बोधत। भू, भूमि, धरा, धरित्री, धरणी, धरती, वसुधा, वसुंधरा आदि अनेक नामों से पुकारी जाने वाली माता वसुंधरा अपनी संतान की निरंतर रक्षा करती है। हरितवसना, श्वेत हृदया, बहुरत्ना, मंगलमयी, ममतामयी, सौंदर्यमयी, इस वसुधा के समान संसार में कोई सुंदर नहीं। सागर इसके चरण पखारते हैं, सूर्य इसकी वंदना करता है, पक्षी इसका यशोगान करते हैं, वन वृक्ष इसके चंवर डुलाते हैं। संपूर्ण प्रकृति वसुंधरा की सेवा करती है। वसुंधरा धैर्य की मूर्ति, सहनशीलता की प्रतिमा और असीम पोषण की अधिष्ठात्री है। मानव का कर्तव्य है कि इस जीवनदायिनी पृथ्वी की पवित्रता, हरियाली और सौंदर्य को अक्षुण्ण रखे। परंतु आज मानव अपने कर्तव्य से विमुख होता जा रहा है। वह जिस वसुंधरा की गोद में जीवन यापन कर रहा है, उसी का अहित करता जा रहा है। वसुंधरा केवल मिट्टी, जल और वायु का संगम नहीं, अपितु जीवन की अमूल्य पाठशाला है, जहां हर प्राणी अपनी अपनी भूमिका निभाता है। जिस प्रकार विद्यालय में विविध विषय, शिक्षक और विद्यार्थी मिलकर ज्ञान की गंगा प्रवाहित करते हैं, वैसे ही पृथ्वी पर पर्वत, नदियां, वन, सागर और आकाश मिलकर जीवन का संतुलित पाठ पढ़ाते हैं। विद्यालय का मुख्य उद्देश्य शिक्षा प्रदान करना है, ताकि विद्यार्थी अपने व्यक्तित्व का निर्माण कर सके और लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति कर सके। इसी प्रकार वसुंधरा हमें जीने की कला सिखाती है। ऋतुओं का परिवर्तन समय का महत्व बताता है। नदी का निरंतर बहना मंजिल तक पहुंचने के लिए परिश्रम एवं धैर्य का संदेश देता है। वृक्षों का फल फूल देना परोपकार का पाठ पढ़ाता है। विद्यालय में अनुशासन आवश्यक है, इसके बिना व्यवस्था बिगड़ जाती है। वैसे ही यदि हम प्रकृति का नियम तोड़ते हैं, वन काटते हैं, नदियों को दूषित करते हैं, वायु को विषाक्त करते हैं, तो पृथ्वी का संतुलन बिगड़ जाता है। फलस्वरूप प्राकृतिक आपदाओं का सामना करना पड़ता है। धरा धर्ममयी माता सर्वभूत हिते रता, ता पालयेन यत्नेन सा ही जीवन हेतवः। अतः हम पृथ्वी को विद्यालय की तरह सम्मान दें, जहां अनुशासन, सेवा और प्रेम के पाठ जीवन भर हमारे साथ रहे। यह क्षमामयी, यह दयामयी, इसे निरख हम मग्न होते मोद में खेल कूद कर बड़े हुए हैं हम सब वसुंधरा की गोद में।
For this wonderfully created and curated video display that depicts the theme for this evening. A leader provides guidance, inspiration, and motivation while achieving goals, and most importantly, boosts the morale of all working with him. He creates a vision and encourages the vision to become a reality. We at DBS Bhilai are truly blessed to have such a leader to steer us to even greater heights. May I humbly request our principal, sir, Mr. Prashant Vashisht, to address us all. Sir, please.
Good evening to one and all present here. At the outset, I extend a very hearty welcome to you all on the 41st foundation day of our school. We are really and truly honored today by the benign presence of Director in charge Shri Chittaranjan Mahapatra ji, Shri Pavan Kumar, Chairman Steel Education Society and EDHR, Shri Praveen Nigam, ED Finance and Accounts, and Mrs. Chavi Nigam, Mr. Saptarshi Sengupta and Mrs. Jayati Sengupta, Mrs. Shikha Dubey, Mr. Pramod Kumar and Mrs. Preeti Singh, Mr. Harpreet Singh and Mrs. Manjeet Kaur, all the invited guests and our students. On this great occasion, it gives me immense pleasure to share some of our achievements of the session 2024-25. I am happy to inform you that in class 10 results, Akshat Gupta with 99.2% marks was the state topper. closely followed by Prashant Saharia and Prasun Srivastav with 98.8% marks. Overall, 194 students got 90% plus marks. In class 12, in PCM PCB group, Ayati Bizoria secured the top position in the group as well as in the school with a score of 98% marks. In commerce group, Saksham Agarwal was at the top with 97.6% marks. 74 students secured 90% plus marks. In JEE Advanced, 19 students qualified. Suvidya Devangan secured All India rank 244 and was the state number 1. In JEE Mains, 81 students qualified. In JEE Mains Architecture, 6 students qualified. And in JEE Mains Bachelor of Planning, 4 students qualified. In NEET, 39 students qualified. Darshit Jain with an All India rank of 524 was a state topper, and he was closely followed by CRI with All India rank 544, and she was state number 2. There are other exams also where our children have done well. Arul Verma of class 9J achieved an extraordinary feat by securing national rank 1 in the NTSC conducted online by the Unified Council of India. Adya Pandey of class 10J received the prestigious award from the Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Vishnu Dev Sai, instituted by the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. And this award was given to her on 15th Foundation on 17th June 2025. There are other very important achievements also, but I know we have time limit and time constraint. I'll end here, and I'm pretty sure the way you have enjoyed our first 2 performances, each upcoming performance will be better than that. That much I can assure. Thank you everyone for coming here, and once again thanks sir for gracing this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A school magazine is a faithful chronicle of all the activities and events that have occurred in the school and also mirrors the achievements of the students and the staff. It is an integral part of school life and is a miniature representation of our institution. Each issue of our school magazine is a milestone that marks our growth, unfolds our imagination, and gives flight to our thoughts and aspirations. It unleashes a wide spectrum of creative skills and also showcases the artistic and literary talents of the students. DipsView 2024-2025 will shortly be released by our honorable guests. A glimpse of the school magazine will be presented before you on the screen, and we do hope it finds appreciation. Sodu sir. And congratulations to the entire editorial team for their hard work and dedication. We request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Chittaranjan Mahapatra, to do the honors. We also request Mr. Pavan Kumar, Mr. Praveen Nigam, Mr. Saptarishi Sengupta, Mrs. Shikha Dubey Perry in the English section, Mrs. Neelam Pandey for the Hindi section, and Mr. Ved Prakash for the Sanskrit section to come up on the stage.
Of a century in the service of an institution is a long time and deserves compliments and praise. Today we are extremely fortunate to have with us all those who have faithfully spent 25 years of service in our very own BPS Bhilai. On the occasion of the 41st Foundation Day, we would like to felicitate the long service members of our family. Let us see who these fortunate ones are. May I request Sodu sir for the display, please. Mrs. Lakshmi Krishnan to please come on the stage. chief guest. Sir, please.
The beauty of the night emerging from the day, the majesty of the stars, their glory on display.
An evening of splendor where wishes are made on the trail of shooting stars, destination DPS Bhilai, and certainly this Hall of Fame.
On this stage, in approaching twilight, the Dipside stand proud and bright, presenting programs like shooting stars, each one a proof of who they are.
Beneath the boundless sky, Vasundhara lies, that treasure trove where life abounds, emerald tops and valleys profound, rivers that gleam under azure skies.
Vasundhara, the jewel of cosmic light that cradles the dawn and crowns the night. Like DPS Bhilai in her arms, we learn and grow with the roots of wisdom that run deep below. Good evening to all the distinguished guests present here.
I, Akshita Garg, Cultural Secretary,
Vanya Verma, AEC Prefect,
Niranjana Pramod, Senior Vice Head Girl,
Sumedha Giri, AC Prefect,
Soumya Bharti, Cultural Secretary, on behalf of Delhi Public School Bhilai, extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished guests present here and wish them a spectacular and a memorable evening. As we continue with the cultural fiesta marking our 41st Foundation Day, let's ponder upon the mission and the goals governing the functioning of our school. While aiming to preserve and enhance the standards of excellence, DPS Bhilai offers the best possible opportunities for the growth and advancement of children under its care, envisioning their role as future responsible citizens of the 21st century. On these lines, it is worth mentioning that DPS Bhilai hosted the Model United Nations for the first time in its history of 40 years, setting a benchmark of great standards for the others to emulate.
As per NEP 2020, field visits and excursions to relevant sites to observe and learn about real-world applications of concept equip the students with a better understanding of the bookish knowledge they acquire being in a classroom. The trips organized by our school to Japan and also to Delhi, Corbett National Park and Bhimtal helped broaden the horizons, making learning more exciting for several students. Today, as we celebrate the glorious journey of our institution on this momentous Foundation Day, we appreciate the strong bond forged between us and our school. We are full of gratitude to DPS Bhilai fraternity for they leave no stone unturned for the sake of their students.
Now, moving on to today's theme, Vasundhara, a treasure trove. In Indian philosophy, Vasundhara means earth or the bearer of all. It is intrinsically linked to the concept of peace and harmony. It embodies the idea of interdependence with the natural world, fostering a sense of unity and responsibility towards all beings and the environment. Vasundhara, the earth, is not just a treasure trove of natural resources, but one of people with creativity, talents, innovation, and feelings of attachment, loyalty, and commitment. Let's now listen to Anukriti Gupta, who is going to enchant us with a poem expressing her patriotic fervor for our nation, our Bharat.
तो को मेरा सप्रेम नमस्कार। आज मैं आप सबके समक्ष कुछ पंक्तियाँ प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है मेरा देश महान है और इस कविता के रचनाकार श्री दिलीप कुमार पांडे सर जी हैं। ज्ञान तत्व में रत रहता जो भारत उसका नाम है, संस्कृति जिसकी अद्भुत अनुभव, मेरा देश महान है, मेरा देश महान है। पराशर सुत वेद व्यास ने वेदों का विस्तार किया। वेद त्रयी के ज्ञान अमृत को भारत के जन जन ने पिया, भारत के जन जन ने पिया। अध्यात्म ज्ञान विज्ञान सभी का, अध्यात्म ज्ञान विज्ञान सभी का केंद्र यहाँ कभी होता था। भ्रष्ट आचरण में पढ़कर मान कभी न खोता था, मान कभी न खोता था। विश्व गगन में ज्ञान सूर्य, विश्व गगन में ज्ञान सूर्य हम सबका यह अभिमान है। संस्कृति जिसकी अद्भुत अनुपम, मेरा देश महान है, मेरा देश महान है। वन पर्वत पृथ्वी नदियों की, जरा गौर से सुनिएगा। वन पर्वत पृथ्वी नदियों की प्रतिदिन पूजा होती थी। शिक्षित माताएं शिशु में बीज कर्तव्य का बोती थी। उपनिषदों के अनुशीलन से विप्र पूज्य कहलाते थे। अपने सत्कर्मों के कारण मान जगत में पाते थे, मान जगत में पाते थे। ऋषि मुनियों की गरिमा का, ऋषि मुनियों की गरिमा का रखना हमको ध्यान है। संस्कृति जिसकी अद्भुत अनुपम, मेरा देश महान है, मेरा देश महान है। प्रिय वियोग में आहे भरती क्रौची तमसा तीर दिखी, प्रिय वियोग में आहे भरती क्रौची तमसा तीर दिखी। छंदबद्ध लौकिक संस्कृत की काव्य पंक्तियाँ यहाँ लिखी, काव्य पंक्तियाँ यहाँ लिखी। षट शास्त्रों का ज्ञानार्जन कर, षट शास्त्रों का ज्ञानार्जन कर दिशा देश को देते थे। प्रतिदिन उद्यमरत रहकर नाम ईश का लेते थे। वेद मंत्र की मधुर गुंज से, वेद मंत्र की मधुर गुंज से होता नया विहान है। संस्कृति जिसकी अद्भुत अनुपम, मेरा देश महान है। गीता गायत्री शिखा सूत्र का, गीता गायत्री शिखा सूत्र का द्विजवर पालन करते थे। ईश्वर चरणों का प्रसाद जो चंदन मस्तक धरते थे। यज्ञादिक शुभ कर्मों में निरत सदा वे रहते थे। आध्यात्मिक ऊर्जा धारण कर कल्याण जगत का करते थे। अपनी उस स्वर्णिम संस्कृति का, अपनी उस स्वर्णिम संस्कृति का रखना हमको मान है। संस्कृति जिसकी अद्भुत अनुपम, मेरा देश महान है। संस्कृति पर है आज छा रहे भौतिकता के बादल काले, संस्कृति पर है आज छा रहे भौतिकता के बादल काले। उठो जगो पहचानो निज को, हे संस्कृति के रखवाले, हे संस्कृति के रखवाले। वर्तमान की हवा लग रही, वर्तमान की हवा लग रही, क्यों खोते हो निज पहचान। हे ऋषि पुत्रों सुनो ध्यान से, गूंज रहा गीता का ज्ञान, गूंज रहा गीता का ज्ञान। मुक्त कंठ से सूर मुनि, मुक्त कंठ से सूर मुनि करते जिस भारत का गान है। संस्कृति जिसकी अद्भुत अनुपम, मेरा देश महान है, मेरा भारत देश महान है। धन्यवाद
for this beautiful expression of loyalty to our nation. It makes me feel so connected to our country. The upcoming program is a journey woven with the threads of our musical heritage, a magic that binds us all, trapezing across the golden sands of Rajasthan, where folk songs are in the winds and every note carries the warmth of tradition. We shall drift into the serene notes of Rag Ahir Bhairav, where the melody soothes our spirit. We venture into the mystical realm of Sufi music, where every note takes us closer to the divine.
The Qawwali. The Qawwali, a blend of music and faith, has the beauty. The Qawwali. A blend of music and faith has the beauty to lift our hearts to a state of joy and surrender. So let us not just listen, but experience Bharatiya Sangeet ki vivid chhatai, music in its purest form, and immerse ourselves in these soul-stirring renditions.